Hey everyone, how's it going? My name's Norman. I'm with the Scout Media Podcast. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're watching this video, you're looking for some type of social media hack, some type of Instagram tip, hack, whatever. So what we're going to be talking about is the 12 image grid hack. It's going to be a quick video. We're going to do a screen recording, and what we're going to do is just follow along with me. We're going to brainstorm. We're going to go over different strategies of the 12 image Instagram grid hack. So let's get started. So in this video, if you're struggling for content, what you're gonna do is just follow along. We're gonna brainstorm together. I work for a finance company, so I manage my finance company's Instagram, all their social media. I also help both of my bosses with their Instagram. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at my company's Instagram. And if you are familiar with Instagram, you know that each row has only 3 images per row. So what I like to do is I like to have at least 12 to 15 different categories, or 12 to 15 different topics that of content you can post. So let's work together. So I'm gonna do a screen record here. I'm gonna put it up in the video, and let's look at this social media page that we have going. So here we have our social media. It's Scout Financial. You can see our bio. You can see the different highlights that we have right here. And you can also see the grid. So right here you can see we have at least, it's 3 per row, and it's about 12 to 15 different, 12 to 15 images you can view as you scroll per page. So the most you can see is about 12 to 15 images. So what I like to do is I like to batch my content in about 12, in groups of 12. It's a safe number. Some people do 9, some people do 15, but I like to do 12 because it's right in the middle. So let's work together here. So we can look at this and we can see that we have just a basic informational post. So that could be one, information. You could see we have a video series where we're talking about real estate myths.
Hey everyone, this is part 3.
You can also see here where it's an engaging post. It's a question where we're trying to direct people to a certain website, which is our lending website, which is a part of Scout Financial. So you can see here as we scroll, it's one of the carousels, and carousels is actually a really good thing to use too. A lot of people grow their Instagram using that. You can see right here we have just a basic quote. You add some different graphics to it. You can add your logo to it. There's so many different things you can do with quotes. You can add a nice picture. Just adjust the transparencies, different things like that. There's so much you can do there. You can see a behind the scenes post. It was one of our employees' birthdays, so I posted a happy birthday post. This is a very simple trick, very simple content and content hack. It's very simple, 12 images. Sit down, brainstorm. If you have someone else that you're working with for your content, go ahead and sit down with them. It's always good to bounce ideas off of each other. Try and find 12 different topics, 12 different ideas you can post, and categorize that, and then work from there. And that's your Instagram hack for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a nice day. We'll post these videos every Friday around 5 p.m. Have a nice day.